Okay, in this video what we're going to do is show you how we can set up the RemoveNode method. It's really quite simple. Let's think about it. What needs to happen when you tell a particular instance of the TransformNode class to remove itself? Well, we need to disconnect the reference to that particular object. The moment we disconnect the reference to the object and we can't get back to it, the garbage collector will come along at some point and sweep it away, get rid of that object altogether. But by removing it out of rather a parent's children list or out of the root nodes list, the reference is gone, the rendering engine won't pick it up, so it won't be drawn, we can't get back to it, and that'll take care of truly removing the node. So I just kind of said the key to the whole thing just a second ago. It's in rather a parent's children list or a root nodes list. It depends. Do we have a parent? If yes, then we need to remove ourselves out of the parent's children list. If we don't have a parent, which means parent set to null, then we need to remove ourselves out of the root nodes list because we are a root node. So let's go ahead and set that up, Logan.
All right, let's jump back into TransformNode and address RemoveNode.
Okay.
Like I said, the first thing we need to check is, do we have a parent? And that check is if parent is not equal to null. If it is not equal to null, then we need to address that parent. We need to say parent dot
children.
Parent dot children dot remove this. In order to make this line look a little bit more like the actual set parent line, we could finish it off with this.parent.children.remove just to show what we're getting at. The reason we don't have to is in this case we're not passing a parent parameter like we were in set parent.
Right, and it's an instance method. So
we could get away with not having this in front of parent, since parent, the only thing parent could mean is the field parent for this instance.
That's right.
But nonetheless, to finish the line, if you were scanning through the code looking at set parent and remove node, that would make more sense. So if this parent is not null, this.parent.children.remove this.
That's because we have a parent. So otherwise,
so else, that must mean that we're a root node, and that means we need to be taken out of the root nodes list instead, which is simply root nodes.remove this. And
now,
really,
that's it. The beautiful thing about this is if we remove, remember how we had E and F parented to C. If we remove C, that means we have lost all means of contacting C, which means we've also lost all means of contacting E and F, which means we have just effectively deleted that part of the hierarchy altogether. And that's really cool, and exactly how it works in 3D applications as well. So if you were to go into a program like Maya and create a node hierarchy and then select one of the children on down the hierarchy that has children and delete it, you'll delete all of its children as well. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that working. If Logan just builds and makes sure everything's good and runs it real quick, you can see that we do indeed have C with E and F. So let's go ahead and remove node C. So we can do another testing remove.
So testing remove, and then we'll say node, what was it?
So it's node C.
So node C dot remove node.
Okay, because again, this works off of the particular instance. It's an instance method.
And then we can do a show all to verify what happened to the overall network. If we run, we get this. C has E and F. After the remove, C is gone, E is gone, and F are gone.
Beautiful. That's excellent stuff. And that's it. That is all there is for the RemoveNode method. Okay? So with that, that is going to wrap up this video. Thanks a lot.